Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to unboxing the Crude Whey by Bigmuscles Nutrition. It is a raw protein. There is no added flavors and artificial sugars and etc. It is purest form of whey without flavors. It is unflavored high protein powder sourced from USA. I have ordered this in Amazon. I'll give it a try and post you the results in upcoming video. This product is tested in the laboratory and there are some reports in their website. It is 80% whey protein concentrate. There is good amino acid profile. It is budget friendly whey protein thanks to Bigmuscles Nutrition. This crude whey has safe ingredients and composition. There is no side effects. It is unflavored raw whey protein. It has 24 grams of protein per serving, BCAA 5.5 grams, 4 grams of glutamine and 0 grams of sugar. No artificial enzymes are added. There is no added soy, preservative free, added 2 grams of maltodextrin. It is a carbohydrate per serving that results in better digestion and smooth shake. Whey protein concentrate from Glanbia Nutritionals USA. Thank you so much for watching this video.